welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate this Instagram logo. Now, it's really simple to do, and let's see how that's done. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'll be opening up a new document, and in this video I will be using this custom size document which is 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I will be renaming my document to be Instagram logo. And okay, so before I begin, I would also like to make sure that my smart guides has been switched on from this views panel right here and over here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is that I will be using this rectangle tool, and I do not require the fill as of now, and I will be filling the square to be black. And I'll come over here to the center, click on Shift plus Alt to create one square like this. And I'll go ahead and also round off the edges a little like that. So I'll go to Edit, copy this and paste in front. And I'll change this second copy's color to blue like this. And once that's done, I'll go ahead and also resize this a little bit more and do something like this. And I'll go ahead and also swap the fill and stroke over here. I'll change the stroke to be white, and I'll go ahead and also change the stroke weight. So by default, the stroke weight is 1 point. So I'll go ahead and make it 18 points like that. And now this, what I'm going to do, no, actually what I'm going to do is that I'll reduce the stroke weight from 18 to 14. Okay. So I'll go over here to this ellipse tool and go over here to the center, click on Shift plus Alt and create one circle like this. Now I want to zoom in. Like that, and I'll make another one small circle right here like this, and go ahead and swap this as well to make the fill to be white and just bring it down a little like that. That's done. So what I'm going to do is I'll just select the white ones as of now, these white portions. Come over here to this Pathfinder panel, which is right behind the layers panel, and I'll click on the first shape mode, which is Unite. But since this is happening, but I'm just going to let it be, Unite is not necessary. So once that's done, I'll go ahead, select the strokes over here, make it white, black, select this one as well, and I do not require the stroke, and select the background and go ahead and delete that. And we get the black and white version of our shape. Right, but one thing I forgot was that I'll select this and make another copy out of it over here. Select this, bring that up. Do not require the fill. Select the background, delete. So what I'm going to do is that with this one, I'll select these and change the stroke to be white again. This one had the fill and there was no stroke like that. So I'll be adding gradients on this one. I'll go ahead and zoom on this. So I'll select this, come over here to this gradient panel right here, And over here you can see that by default that the gradient slider is white to black. So we can go ahead and add different colors to it. So technically, if as far as I recall, Instagram has 3 different colors, namely pink, yellow and purple. Right, so I'll select this one and I'll change this to yellow. I'll click on Alt and make another copy out of this in the slider. Change this ones to be a darker shade of pink, and the last one is going to be purple. And we can go ahead and just play around with the angle and see which one looks better. So -45 looks pretty good, and we can just play around with the angles and see how much gradient we want to give to each one. But this looks pretty neat, like that. There you go. We've made 2 different versions of the Instagram logo, one being just black and white and the other one actually having different colors to it, and it looks like a good copy of the Instagram logo. So once that's done, we can go ahead and also save our file. In order to do that, I'll be going to File, going to Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, which is Instagram logo. And my save as type over here below is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save our file in this format so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily access my AI file. We go ahead and save our documents like this and click on OK. And there you go. We have now successfully made our Instagram logo, and it's also saved in an AI file. So that's about it. We've come to the end of our video. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful, and with a little bit more practice, you can make different types of logos as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.